Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp. So please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. So moving on to our topic of the day, which is quite an exciting and intriguing topic. If you haven't understood what happened, this is the best video for you, so make sure that you stick to the end. After rival Binance withdrew its last-minute offer to buy the declining crypto exchange, Sam Bankman-Broiled is in a race to raise $4 billion to salvage FTX. According to separate reports from Bloomberg and the Monetary Times, Bankman-Seared allegedly told financial backers on Wednesday night that FTX is facing a shortage of assets of up to $8 billion and is at risk for liquidation if the organization doesn't receive any less than $4 billion to remain dissolvable. Bankman-Broiled asserted that FTX will accept the funds in any arrangement, whether they are presented as obligations, values, or a combination of the two. Funding company Sequoia Capital informed investors that it would write down its previous $214 million stake in FTX to zero in the interim, following the bank run on the cryptocurrency market that was sparked by Binance CEO Changpeng Zhao's liquidation of his $2 billion position in the local token of the FTX trade, which cast doubt on the organization's long-term viability. According to a note Sequoia sent to investors in its asset, recently, a liquidity shortage has caused dissolvability risk for FTX. Sequoia highlighted this in the FT. Other high-profile backers of the event, including BlackRock, Canada's Ontario Educators Benefits Plan, Singapore's Temasek, SoftBank, and mutual funds Lightspeed Adventure Companions, have not said if they will assist in saving the failing cryptocurrency market. If someone could give SBF $2 or $3 billion, he would be unfathomably grateful. Bankman-Seared has been repeating the same three-word mantra in recent days ever since the organization began to deteriorate. According to Reuters, Bankman-Seared allegedly sent a message to each of his representatives on Tuesday morning saying, "Please accept my apologies." He admitted to financial backers on the call, adding that he would be unquestionably, fantastically thankful if they could help. Justin Sun, the leader of the Tron Digital Currency Organization and Grenada's representative to the World Exchange Association, tweeted late on Wednesday that he and his team were building a solution with FTX to start a route ahead. This is encouraging news for Bankman-Seared. However, Sun assured his Twitter followers that his team was working non-stop to avoid further crumbling, adding that the continuous liquidity smash, regardless of momentary in nature, is hurtful to the business advancement and financial backers the same. Sun did not provide any details regarding the type of supporting arrangement they were planning. Sun's message was retweeted by Bankman-Broiled. When of distribution, Fortune contacted FTX, but they didn't respond. While this may appear to be the typical deception that the cryptocurrency market has come to be known for, this incident stands out since FTX is the second largest company in the space. Bankman-Seared was widely regarded as the bright young thing in the industry. Only a year and a half earlier, Bankman-Seared hosted celebrities like Tony Blair and Bill Clinton at an event in the Bahamas, and Fortune devoted the front of its August or September edition to a profile of the young entrepreneur. According to the Bloomberg Tycoon list, Bankman-Seared, whose total assets were formerly valued at $26 billion, have decreased 94% in one day to $991.5 million. The price of cryptos is also outrageous due to this lack of assurance. After Binance confirmed ahead of reports that it will leave the agreement, Bitcoin fell 13% to $15840, according to CoinDesk, hitting a two-year low. At the start of the week, the value of Bitcoin was above $20,000. The crypto markets are currently seeing a fountain of edge calls, according to JP Morgan, and this long-term deleveraging may drive Bitcoin as low as $13,000. Given the size and connections of FTX and Alameda Exploration to various components of the crypto-biological system, JP Morgan researchers wrote, it looks likely that another outpouring of edge calls deleveraging, and crypto organization and stage disappointments is beginning, similar to what we saw last May and June following the breakdown of land. Additionally, owners of digital currencies that were dangling off the FTX exchange platform ran the risk of losing their holdings. A tweet from Bankman-Broiled that assured FTX customer reserves was safe was covertly deleted on the theory that the assets may be seized by an executive for liquidation to pay off leaseholders from the bankruptcy house. Nevertheless, there is one winner in this. Justin Sun's symbolic coin TRX flooded by about 4,000% on the FTX stage itself after he said he was looking at methods to save FTX. That was it for today's video. Hope you were able to grasp the matter to some extent. What do you think of today's video? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.